Yeah, you tell Grandma thank you? What about that shirt? Is that cute? You like that one? Yeah, what color is that? Is that pink? What do you think that is? Yeah, it's a shirt. Good job. Say thank you, bye-bye. Tell Grandma bye-bye.